So I'm just soldering them, and then I'm hot gluing them to give them a little more, to kind of make them more solid, so they are not like weak little pieces of wire. And getting most of it done, getting it all kind of organized. Sadly, both my 5-volt and ground wires that go into the conductors that go into the power supply both came loose. We still have to reconnect the red ones. Thanks. This is a there's a carbon filter on this fan, and it gets the odor from the soldering iron. Okay, just doing an update. I got my power cords together, speakers, video cable, and now most of these are controllers and coins, but they get worse as you get to the bottom of them. So
Actually, it seems all upper respiratory. I mean,
so I also got a 12-volt line running through, and then I'm going to connect it. I'm going to connect it to my LED light, my LEDs, light emitting diodes. So pretty much, the second player is gone. Sorry, pretty much second player is gone. Common, ground, 12-volt speaker. Common, nothing, video, 5-volt, common. Thank you. Okay, another quick update. What I'm doing now, since I got all the leads I want, I'm going to test each one and then tape a piece of paper near the end of them so I can easily identify them, so I don't have to keep checking the continuity. 5-volt power supply. Okay, I'm just going to easily check this red. Give me 1 second, please. I'm going to check this red 5-volt wire. This connects into the power supply and provides 5 volts. I'm going to take my meter, going to find the place where it has the little lines, and right now it's at 400 ohms or lower. I'm going to take my leads of my multimeter, I'm going to touch them together. Continuity. These touch, they make a connection. So now I'm going to, how to make sure you don't have a false, so my 5-volt is close to my common, so I'm going to check that. So I got to find a metal connection here, or well, actually we can do right here. These first 4 are common, these next 4 are the 5 volts. Let's try common. Okay, nothing. Now the 5 volts. Okay, so this connects into this. I'm going to take my 5-volt power supply sticker, so I know this is 5-volt power supply. Now, for a more professional, what I was using before, on my last PCB I used a labeler, and I would just label, I'd label them twice, make some spaces, and when I print it off, it would come out kind of looking like this, but it'd be more like a tiny flag. So now you know how to use continuity, you know how to search and find out which pins connect, and you know how to search for shorts as well, to make sure that, wow, I hope this 5 volts isn't going into my video connections. So once I get all these labeled, I will be ready for the next step. Thank you. Okay, new update. Paper like this out. I went and took a photo of the pinouts. Then I went into paint and I colored what it's supposed to be. And now I am going to cut them out and tape them. So I'm going to tape this. It's going to be ground. It's going to say A. It's going to be black. So it did almost all the work for me. It looks better. Looks more professional. I don't know. Let's see here. Ground A. Thank you. I just wanted to keep you updated.